Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
RFC. That's what you know what that means when it's RFC time. What does that mean? Richie Fried Chicken, aka Chatty First Lady.
whatever. He always gotta have me involved in some way, somehow. I said the man can't keep my name out of your mouth.
Yo, tell him
why
what
you can't keep my name out of your mouth?
Please tell them what we got to the family. What we got today. That we eat our day.
Can I tell you? Are you fried chicken?
Today we got the RFC. You know it's in the building again, and it's the crunch for me.
Yes.
So what we got with the
and then we have some cheesy, twice baked potatoes and some corn. Just some regular corn.
Yeah.
You know, we chilling. And family, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today. I'll see you soon with one though.
Yeah, talk too much, Mike. Oh, you don't want this, or you don't want none of this, right?
No, just some water.
I'm drinking a cola champagne. You know how it is already.
This. Look at that.
You know what it is already. So I put my sour cream on that. Don't put
yes,
sour cream.
You can, my love.
First, it's the hold on. Wait. Yep.
The cheese for me. Oh, the thumbnail.
No. There we go.
Oh, I put some ham on this side. I was gonna put bacon, but my daughter ate all of the bacon bits.
Cheese stuck in my throat, man. Damn.
So how much food you put in your mouth just now?
It was a cheese.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is good.
This is the stinking cream. Which one? Wait for
Sorry.
It was a cheese, huh?
Right here?
All right, stop.
Stop.
We made it.
What we make it to? RFC?
I asked, and y'all came through with it. Y'all say you want it. Ready to wear it?
It looks so good.
You were dropping. It's okay.
They got a crunch.
It's okay.
Man, this potato is really good. A piece of the bacon. Or the ham.
Okay. Got the Grace on deck, you know, always Grace. What, you gonna put your 2 times?
I got 2 times spicy sauce.
And you know I gotta have my sweet baby Ray.
Let me see if it tastes good with the potatoes. I feel like it will. Stop judging me. Let me see. Let me see.
It's your mouth.
Let me see.
Whatever you want in here. Look at my breasts. Don't stress the rest. Focus now. Anyway, you see it? That's the breast. There we go. Take it. See, I hold it long enough. See? I hold it long enough and now you make them take a big bite out of it already.
Your problem with that? Let me see. Let me do some honey with this today. I feel like I have too much stuff going on. Don't I, family?
It's your mouth.
I have sour cream, cheese, hot sauce. What is it called? What is it called? Honey.
We have one today. First day, one today.
That's so good. Our chicken is good, honey. Very good.
Hold on, we still ask how y'all doing. Hold on real quick. I know y'all doing good. Cause you know we doing good.
You guys know. Sorry.
What happened?
I just kept on eating.
Oh.
It's easy to make this. You guys know that.
You have money.
Yeah, man.
You have everything by your side.
Everything. But the chicken with the honey and the hot sauce tastes really good. It tastes really good, honey. And it's still crunchy. I don't know how you get it so crunchy.
I'm losing my touch. I'm losing my touch, yo.
And the potato.
It's delicious.
You like it with the cheese, huh?
What you got, loaded potato?
Loaded potato. It will be loaded. I'm telling you, to me, a yam out of the bacon. I was so mad. I said, to me, I just bought that bacon bits yesterday. Look, I was hungry. I said, you know what? I can't tell you guys the business. I can scratch that out. Cause to me, something chat too much too.
Yes, family. Now, how are you doing? We have to make sure it tastes right first. Got to make sure it tastes right. I missed it. Just like how I missed it. We're here now, though.
This is really good.
What do you want?
And the sour cream?
Yeah, it's a little more.
Where are you? This? Side?
Yeah. Yeah. Season too.
Seasoned, man?
Yeah. What's up? You're making from me thing by you.
Let me drop.
You're making me that.
The corn is good.
Family. Good. Family, I'm not bringing back the RFC till next year.
Yeah, right.
Make some. I feel like I have some fried fish.
I mean next year.
What do you think, family? You feel like some fried fish too? First day, reading. Oh shit.
What? Oh, yeah.
I gotta get my thing. What?
Your phone. Same thing I'm talking about. You're never ready. See? Wow, it's a good cheese.
Yeah, chat too much.
Same thing I talked about to the family member yesterday. Never ready with your stuff.
I'm back. Excuse me, and I got more napkin because you need a napkin.
I never like napkin.
Yeah, what?
No napkin.
Family, I had to go get the wow.
Thank you, though.
And then, what's up? Dog. Sneak in here. Are you sneaking in here today?
Hi, Sasha Washi.
Family. They said a dog is a what? A human best friend. So say?
A man's best friend.
Best friend. This dog, family. The dog, every night, the dog know her bedtime, right? Whatever. Her bedtime, what, 10 o'clock? Her bedtime is at 10 o'clock.
On the weekdays.
On the weekdays. Family. She knows, and when she don't want to go to bed, she go hide. One night, I'm there tearing down the house looking for the dog. I'm saying, Sasha, Sasha, Sasha. Family, the dog lie down in the bathroom, look at me like this and hear me calling her and not moving. Sasha, come on, bedtime. She's just lying down looking like.
You finally found her?
Wait, no, yeah, I'm telling you, touch me. So I went over there, I said, all right, come on, bedtime. Family, I went to go pick up the dog. I hear the arr, arr. I said, what the hell? I said, no, this can't be real. So I pick up him again. Arr, arr. So I finally grabbed her, pick her up, put her in the bed now. So the next morning now, I tell Tom, I said, Tom, you know the dog tried to bite me last night? I want to see if the dog do that to you. The next night now, first lady tried to do it. Did the dog do the same thing? Hell no.
She knows her mother.
The dog did not. You dropping that thing right on them punches dropping up. The dog did not do that. I said, okay. I think you're slick. Yeah, man.
Sasha, we'll sit there.
Girl.
Look at her. She think I'm calling her. I don't have any food for you, Sashi. Your food is in your bowl. Sasha will sit there, and if she finds a crumb or something on the floor, like a piece, whatever, or if we're cooking and something falls, and she grab it.
She grab it. She left one foot in her.
And she grabs it.
No, you can't get that. You get
and
sick.
You try to go get it. The only person who can get it from her is me. And she's not gonna bite me. But Sasha doesn't bite anyway. She's a 4-pound dog. All she does is make noise. But the noise that she makes, you will get scared. You think she's gonna bite you, but she's not gonna bite you.
Stop. Want to put you out?
No, get out, dog.
Come here. Why not? Crawl me up, you know?
What a dog love food.
Like that one,
Especially the Excelsior crackers. Didn't you try that? To get her out?
Wouldn't come.
He went and he got the bag of Excelsior crackers. Now, for the Jamaican family, you guys know the Excelsior bag is loud. You can't sneak and eat that in the middle of the night. Everybody gonna wake up. That's how loud the bag is. It's like a bag of chips, but like 4 times the loudness. So when you just touch it, it makes a woolly puddle like. And once she hears that bag,
she go crazy.
It's just that bag, you know? No other bag, like no chips bag, no donut, no bag, except for Excelsior crackers. As soon as she hears that bag, no matter where Sasha is, she run around the corner and jump on her 2 legs because she wants a cracker. But she ain't dumb. She knew Richie trying to get her to go to bed. She said, you want some mud, but I want a cracker tonight.
Dog, try me, son. So I bite that from me, dog, look at me. I walk by 3 times by the back and dog, look at me calling her and just lay there like this. I said, okay. Soon as I went and touch her. And she have a habit running under the bed, deep under the bed that you can't grab her enough. But as soon as that doorbell ring, she start barking. She's the loudest dog on the block. Every dog afraid of her. If we walking dog outside, nobody bring their dog outside.
They wait until you're done.
Bad. Yep. Look at this dog got the biggest mouth. A chicken leg.
Good money.
Come on, go. Bye. She's not leaving her.
Come on.
Stop crawling up on my foot. You can't come up here.
You're not getting no food, Sasha.
No, you're not getting none.
I don't know why dogs, they want the food, and if you give them a little bit of food, an hour later she throws it up. So she can't have table food.
Still look.
I don't.
You hear, right?
I don't want my dog getting sick.
Dog is expensive.
They sure are.
Expensive meal.
It's expensive to be me.
Yeah.
I will sing that.
I don't know. Do anybody have pets out there? Calm it down. Cat, puss, rat, bat.
Yeah, cat and pussy are the same thing.
Let me see if you have anybody have no pets out here. You full, huh? Potato full, you know?
Potato is all I needed was one of this. Potato is very fulfilling.
Useful.
Everything was good though.
Really good. Potato good, but it pulled you up fast.
Fast.
Family, I gotta eat a thigh today. I didn't make the whole chicken. I didn't want to make the whole chicken. So half of chicken, just half of chicken and feed everybody.
It's true.
That's not bigger chicken wise.
You want the breast? Because I'm full.
I eat later. I know you're full. You want bony part? You want this bony part? Exchange.
Yeah.
Exchange is the way to go. See?
I'm full.
When you act, you get.
That's right. When you ask.
I didn't take today.
Sorry, I'm loud.
I know you're so freaking loud. Watch me after this here.
Ooh, what you gonna do to me? What you gonna do to me? I like when you talk dirty.
I'll give you a piece of the breast. First lady breast.
What?
No. Sorry.
Just...
I'm gonna take that back. I'm not giving you a piece of first lady breast. So all you guys over there and you hurt? No, not for you. Not for you. Well, sorry about that. I take back my talk. I'm gonna give you a piece of my chicken, not first lady breast. All right. Said the wrong thing. I'm gonna give you first lady breast. I'm gonna give you first lady breast. I'm gonna get your fish yesterday.
Oh, yeah, I say. You got me, I say. A little giveaway fish. Now you give me breast.
Correct yourself, Richie. What are you talking about?
Check yourself. I'm a. One of these days.
The dog jumped up. Dog is a punk just like
one of these days. Pow! Right in the kisser. Who say that?
I don't know, but hear what? That time. For the wow.
Who knows that line?
What? Tell him again.
One of these days, pow, right in the kisser.
Nobody will get that.
People gonna get that. Because they watch shows. It was a black and white show.
Love and basketball.
No. It was a black and white show. If you guys can guess it,
Yep. Tell them again for a second. Let them hear me, Corey. Let's see.
One of these days, pow, right in the kisser. Somebody's gonna get it because you guys watch TV. I know.
Let's know. Comment down if y'all get that. If you know that show first day time. But now,
well, it's very easy because it's a famous line.
Okay, so we see what happened. Word of wisdom in the building, you know. Listen to this one. Be an example. Show kindness to unkind people. Forgive people who don't deserve it. Love unconditionally. Love unconditionally. Your action reflect who you are. You like that? Say that again.
It's a good one.
It's a good one, Tom?
Yeah. It's always a good one, honey.
Let me find that one there again. Family, if you missed it, I know you didn't, but I'm going to say it again.
You're going to rewind it for you.
I'm going to rewind it for you now. Oh, that's good.
I know. Can we kiss too?
Kiss me off your family. You almost the video never almost happen again, you know? Be an example. Show kindness to unkind people. Forgive people who don't deserve it. Love unconditionally. Your action reflects who you are. Wipe off your mouth.
What is that? Right there.
Yeah, that's it, family. So, if you could relate and say, yes, that's true, Pastor, it is true. Yeah, this was a big breast, you know? And that, shit, imagine if I did that old breast, that was a big breast. Family.
Sorry, the corn is good. Fork taking too long. I'm not embarrassed.
Alright. What are you going to be embarrassed for?
I don't know. I get my food. Too much, a lot of potato, yo. A lot of potato.
One more corn? Cool? What?
I know you're not a corn person. You know.
We appreciate y'all. Thanks for coming through, watching us, having this conversation. You know, if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. So like and subscribe if you're just for our first day. They are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang.
Bye.